Men's automatic wristwatch. Perfect clone of Rolex Daytona wristwatch. Rolex cost around 14,000 pounds and something like that. You may know very well. Everyone seems to know this watch brand, but not many people have the opportunity to see and feel it. I am also one of them. And here I like to show some similarities between Rolex and Olevs. First, you see the Rolex logo and Olevs logo are similar the design. The inner subdials also same like and the functions are similar. The outer bezels letters sharp also similar to the Rolex. The side buttons as well. If anyone reads the brand name, then only they can see it is Olevs, not Rolex. So I am feeling this one, it's pro. This cost around only $50 guys. You can feel the luxury in your wrist. First impressions in this watch for me is wow. This is a watch that you really do need to see and feel. So, show you the unboxing now. The box contains tips how to use, then chain removal tool and a manual. So you can read through everything. If you don't want to read, you can watch this video. Then here is the eye-catching wristwatch. Olevs is a stunning looking watch. I loved the stainless steel and black bezel. The tachymeter etched into the ceramic is sharp and very legible. Great contrast and easy to read. The bracelet is the most comfortable watch bracelet on the market, I can say. The Olevs case has always had a beautiful look and feel to it. Highly polished with lines that flow organically and of course are perfectly matched to the bracelet as if it were one piece. It is not a thin watch. It has a 40 mm and also weight around 150 gram. In precise 147 grams. The watch itself is 30 meter waterproof, so you don't have to worry about occasional raining, splash when you are hand washing time, splashing the water into the watch, and even 30 meter it shows, but maybe fresh water sometimes if you wet, it may be not a problem, but swimming and those things, we will not recommend this, even if it is mentioned as 30 meter waterproof. And it has anti-fog function guys, so you don't have to fear of it will be fogging to the glasses. And it comes with 3 variants, white, grey and black cases. I purchased the black dial. It comes with 3 sub-dials as well. Black with contrasting aluminum outer rings. The first one it shows the weekdays. The next one is 24-hour display and third one is date display. So year and month that is blocked in the top below the logo. So that one shows year and month only. The day you have to see in the sub-dials one. The black matte dial is a great match to the deep black bezel guys. I have always had a preference for black dials on a watch. Olevs watch withstands daily wear with elegance. The side keys are 3 side keys are given. The first one is in the month adjustment and the second one is the time adjustment. Third one is for date. On the left side that is year adjustment and adjust in the weekday also. Equipped with a luminous display. This Olevs timepiece ensures easy reading in low light conditions. That also working very fine. The glass is high hardness coated glass mirror. It has wear resistant and scratch resistant as well. That's good. The back of the watch shows the beautiful automatic winding display. Whenever you wear the watch with your hand, its movement it automatically winding itself. It has no battery. It relies on the swing of the pendulum to automatically generate kinetic energy to keep the watch running. The first time you wear it, you need to manually wind up the clock for 30 to 40 turns and then keep it normally, ensure that the watch runs normally every day. When you usually has little wrist activity or insufficient wearing time, then it can only maintain the time. Other functions will not maintain. So you have to wear it normally to get all the functions to run smoothly. And it is recommended not to adjust the date and day during evening 9 p.m. to morning 5 a.m. If you want to change the date or day, do it in the daytime. And also it runs by 24-hour system. By just looking the watch, it looks very luxurious. And the stainless steel bracelet comes with 21 centimeter length, so you can adjust based on your wrist requirement. And the chain adjustment tool in the box. You don't have to visit to the watch store to adjust your bracelet. You can do it yourself. I'm showing you how to remove the blocks and adjust based on your wrist requirement. And this watch is only for $50 price bracket, so it is worth buying, guys. So we come to an end of this video. If you like, please give a thumbs up and subscribe, share with your friends and relatives. We will see you next interesting video. Until then, bye bye from Private Studio. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.